Hello everyone, today I will solve LeetCode's problem house robber, named house robber. Actually this problem about dynamic programming. So let's start. Given array of integers and each element in the array is the house. For example, first element is the house and one is the money that we can rob from this house. And our goal to find maximum amount of money that we can reach from these houses, from this array. Actually, it is the sum of the array. In this case, it's the 7, but we also had the condition that we can't wrap neighbor houses. For example, if we will wrap first house, I can't wrap second one. And also, if I wrap first one, I can wrap first one, or second one, I can wrap first and third ones. So, how to solve it? Actually, there is a two-way how to pick way. We can wrap first house from array, and just find maximum amount of money that you can wrap from subarray. And second way to find amount, just skip, don't wrap this first house to wrap second one, and just skip wrapping first house. And it seems like I will pick like this, and this one also had have two ways. I can just skip. In this moment, we get base cases. I will do it by recursion function, by solving sub problems every time, doing subarray and find maximum amount between inside this array. So in this recursion function, we had two base cases. When our array length equals to 2 or 1, when our array's length equals to 2, we just need to return maximum between them. When we found when our num's length will be equals to 1, just return this value from this array. So just pick maximum value. First one will be 4, second 3, and last one also 3. Also I can skip. And there is so many ways, and our goal to return maximum between them is actually 4 in this case, and when I say it is the correct answer. So let's try to implement it. I will code on Java. So let's start. So let's continue. I will explain why we get time limit exceeded emission or exception. I don't know. So as I said, we every time get two ways to pick first one or second one. Let's explain with ends. Index it 5, 6, 7. We can choose 0, 1. For 0 there is two ways, 2 or 3. For 3 we can choose 4 or 5. 6. This is the base case. Or 1, 3, 5, or 6, 3 or 4, 5 or 6, and for 4 we just have a 6. And every time we need to return maximum between them. There is a base case to return. We had silence. No, just remove it. Just forget about it. Best case we will return this value is 5. So compare between them and return maximum. Also from return maximum between from these trees and from these trees. So as we can see, as I said, n is the start array for our subarrays. So 3 means that our array starts with third index. So it means that for same ends we have same values, same amount of money, same money. For example, for 3 and for this 3 and for this 3 there is the same result, because it will just return maximum between 5 and 6, and whenever the result will be same. So as you can see, we had so many duplicate trees. It means that if we calculate for 1 and once, we can don't do it again. Just return, just store this value, and don't do so many recursion function. Just return this value. So try to implement it. Let's go. So I will write it in Java code. So let's start. For example, I will create. Firstly, I will create a method. For example, I will call it rubbing, and it will take array and integer n. What means n? N means it's like a we will do subarray by n. For example, there is the indexes from 1, 2, 3, and 1, and we also have indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. In this case, n means that our array starts from n's index. For example, if we take for n value 2, our subarray start with n and ends for length of nums, and it means that our subarray is 2 and 3. So it will help us to do solving sub problems. So firstly we need to write base case. If our array's length will be equal to 1, we just return not like this, nums length minus n, because I said n means that our array starts with n's index. So if difference between equals to 1, we just return nums length minus, we just can do it like this. And also when our nums length minus n equal to 2, we just return maximum between n and n plus 1. It will also limit. So in another way, we will pick first one or skip first one and find amount of money that we can reach from starting by second index. So when I picked first one, I will get this value and add them maximum amount of money that we can reach from this array. And plus 2 because we can't wrap neighbor house. There is just wrapping nums n plus 1 because I will skip n's house and find a maximum amount of money from array. So I will just return maximum between them because we need to maximize it as max num1, num2. Okay. Wrapping 0 return now. Is it correct? Let's run it and check. Sorry for it. Accepted. Let's submit. And we get time limit exceeded. Okay. To store these datas for values for n, I will use hash map because it is the best way to store, because it takes value for key and for value, and for key we can put n, and for value we can put maximum amount of money that we can reach from this subarray that which starts with nth index. So new hash map, and our wrapping function also need to get this hash map. First value will be n, so data type will be must be integer, and data type for value also need to be integer. Okay, so in this case we had a short base case when we already found maximum value from this subarray. We just if we contains mean we already find maximum value from this n, we just return map get n, and also we need to store for n maximum value. Just copy and paste it and return map get n. So also we need to put in this map map. Actually, it looks good. It looks well. So let's run it. Check it. Is it correct or not? What is the problem? Oh, okay. So let's submit. I think it will be work. Okay, it's good. So thank you for watching. That's all for this problem. I think it was good for you. It was good solution for you. So goodbye.